In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash OTP not sending issue. If you're stuck waiting for that one-time PIN and it never arrives, don't worry. This quick walkthrough focuses on two reliable actions that refresh your connection and clear minor app glitches without changing anything important in your account. First, refresh your mobile network. Open your phone's quick settings and turn on flight mode, sometimes called airplane mode. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. This simple toggle forces your device to disconnect and reconnect to your carrier, which often kickstarts delayed SMS messages like OTPs. Make sure you see your signal bars come back before moving on. This doesn't change any of your app data, it just resets the connection that your OTP relies on. Next, clear the GCash app cache. Go to your phone's settings. Look for the section where your apps are listed. On many phones, it's called Apps, Apps and Notifications, or Manage Apps. Find GCash in the list and tap it to open the app info screen. From there, go to Storage or Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can cause hiccups, but it does not delete your account, balance, or personal data. Avoid tapping Clear Data here. Cache is all you need to clear for this fix. Now return to the GCash app and try logging in again. Request the OTP and give it a little time to arrive, usually within a few seconds, but sometimes it can take up to a minute. Keep an eye on your SMS inbox while you wait. Try not to spam the resend button. Sending multiple requests too quickly can slow things down or queue up several codes at once. If you did toggle flight mode earlier, double-check that it's turned off before requesting the code, since you'll need a live connection to receive SMS. These two actions, refreshing your network with flight mode and clearing the app cache, solve most temporary OTP delivery issues by removing small glitches and re-establishing a clean connection. After you complete them, most people find their OTPs start arriving as expected. That's it. Follow the steps exactly as shown. Briefly toggle flight mode to refresh your signal, clear the GCash cache through settings, and then try logging in again to receive your OTP. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back into your account quickly and with minimal hassle.